an tendrong lamia ka bha kamiat ka syong singan hapo Shnong po thau ka Sorkar jela lamang ban ai by Rneng ya ki village defense party ne VDP kemalong ginong Pahara bat ya terang bat ka bos Sorkar ka jingrang ka kabinet ha ap kandai tarik risau japsan klasimi kene ka rai ban penke ya ka by Rneng ya ki VDP na kalai spa tengka sakalai hajar tengka sibenai ka Sorkar ka menjuru ya ka mikha village defense organization rule ajar apsan.
We from in the rule also itself it has mentioned that we will try to modernize thing. We will try to help them with some kind of uniform, some kind of walkie-talkie, and some with the proper with this IDs and all. So definitely that is on mind, but we cannot see weapon. But definitely we are on that line. But it is. I think it's approved by the cabinet today. So I think very soon it will be implemented. Next agenda is Meghalaya Village Defense Organization Rule 2025 and to revise the out-of-pocket money of VDPs as per file number HPL.238/2025. We already just today we passed this Meghalaya Village Defense Organization Rule 2025 where we already specified the role of the chiefs since from the state, district up to different levels. So definitely we'll be sharing with you the whole details of the rule. So but definitely there are we have increased the out of pocket from we usually 300, now it's going to be 3,000, which we really hope that it will really encourage the people with our VDPs. So definitely we want to see that our VDP active, especially and in today's time, as you know that we are facing the challenges of crime and drugs and even in border areas. So that's why we hope that with these new rules, then I think we will really be able to encourage our villages to form the village defense party.